for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today we're going through how to use the Find and Edit tool. Let's jump right in. The Find and Edit tool is a helpful feature which will allow you to search for transactions in open and closed months. Depending on the type of transaction, you may edit any fields so long as the total amount is the same when you save the changes. If you need to change the total amount of a transaction in a past period, you'll instead need to use the Repair Past tool. So to get to the Find and Edit tool from the Agrimaster home screen, we'll click Cashbook and then Find Edit. So here you'll see a screen appear with loads of different fields. We can search for any transaction using any of these fields. The first step though, which is very important, is to select the date range. So in this example, I want to search for a transaction in December 2023. So I'm going to change the date from December to December because I know it's in the month of December. So if I click the green tick, I can see a lot of different transactions appear. So say I want to narrow this down, I'll then click the magnifying glass again. And I know the transaction in question was for the accountants, so I'll go under Name, click Accountants, and notice that the date range is still the same. So if I click the green tick, it'll narrow it down to just these two transactions. So I want to edit this first transaction. So I click the green pencil in the top right after selecting the transaction. And we come to this screen. Now the field I want to change is the enterprise. I entered sheep when I should have entered cropping. So I'll just scroll down, click cropping, and then to save this change, I'll click the green tick, and it will then take me to the next transaction of the same kind. And again, I want to change this enterprise to cropping as well. So I click the green tick to save those changes. And it will bring me back to this screen. And we can see at the bottom that the enterprise is now cropping for both of these transactions. So we can now back out. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.